Hello. Welcome to this walkthrough of the new Auto Backgrounds feature in the Elements web app. Elements web app is a companion tool to the Photoshop Elements desktop application. When you purchase Photoshop Elements 2025, you'll receive access to Photoshop Elements 2025 Editor, Elements Organizer, and both the web and mobile apps, which are currently in beta. To manage your apps, head over to account adobe.com, where you can see all the apps available to you. Now, let's dive into the Auto Background feature. This feature is located under the Creations tab in the web app. You can either access your synced media from the Elements Organizer in the Media tab or directly import media into the web app. Adobe offers 5 GB of cloud storage for your photos and videos. After clicking on the Auto Background card, simply select a photo and click Continue. You can also upload a photo from your computer, which will then be added to your Media tab for future use. Here's the exciting part. The Elements web app automatically replaces the background of your image, powered by Adobe's AI, which does an impressive job of masking the background and replacing it seamlessly. You have a variety of preset backgrounds to choose from. You can even reposition or resize your subject if needed. If you prefer no background, you can easily select the No Background option to remove it entirely. Once you're happy with your creation, you can download the image as a JPEG, PSD, or PNG with a transparent background. You can also share your creation directly to Facebook via a link, email, or even a QR code using the Elements web app. Want to fine-tune the result? You can open the image in the desktop app, where you'll see the layer structure. While the mask isn't visible in the desktop version at this time, you can still refine the output using the eraser tool. Hopefully, mask support will be added in future updates. That wraps up the Auto Backgrounds feature in the Elements web app. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and updates on Photoshop Elements.